Hello and welcome to my channel. This is we're going to create a flame in our terminal. So guys, now let's get started by importing some import. We'd like to import random. Yep, so it would like do the file randomly, then time and OC. Okay guys, now let's go down and write width. The width of our fire equals, like, let's make it 40. Yep. Wait guys, I wrote it incorrect. Width. Yep. And then let's write height equals 20. Yep. And let's write fire equals, and inside our parentheses let's write 0. And then we'd like to multiply it by, inside of our brackets, width times height. Yep. And then we'd like to write while true for x in range, for example, for x in range of widths. Yep. Write our colon, and then we'd like to just write fire, and inside of brackets we'd like to open a bracket and write height minus 1. Then we'd like to multiply by width plus h, not h like, not like h, like x. Yep. And then we'd like to equals random integer here, we write from 0 to 3. Yep. And then we write for y in range height minus 1. Yep. Now let's write our colon, and let's write another for x in range, but this time we'd like to write width colon, and inside we'd like to write src equals y plus 1 multiply width plus x. Now we'd like to write decay equals random integer rand int from 0 to 1. Yep. And then we'd like to write dct equals y times width plus, inside of brackets we'd like to write x minus decay. Yep. And then we'd like to write like x minus decay if x minus decay, and we'd like to write greater than equal 0 else 0. Yep. And then we'd like to write fire, inside of bracket let's write dct like distance equals max from 0, then fire, crc, minus our decay. Yep, what's it doing here? Oh yep, our DCT, we have to close it. And then we'd like to write oc.system, and inside of our brackets write, and inside of string clc if oc.name equals inside of string nt, then we write else clear, and then we'd like to write for I in range let's write width times height, then in colon, and then let's write level equals fire, and instead of brackets let's write I, and then we'd like to write chars equals, now this is gonna be inside of our strings, we write like dot, then colon, then minus equals plus multiply, then like random stuff percentage add, yep. And next we'd like to do is just print chars inside of bracket levels, no, not levels, level, yep, comma, and write ends equals string, yep, and then we write if I percentage width equals 0, print and then we'd like to just write time dot sleep, it's time to sleep, 0.03. Yep guys, now let's save it up and let's run it, but I think that it will give bug. Line 7 we've got some bug. Yep, it has to be with big capital letter. Now let's save it up, let's run it. Okay, line 22, we got some bug in line 22. Okay, like print got unexpected argument. Says we get a bug over here. What'll happen if we do it like this? Still gives a bug out there. Charge level and yep, it has to be end. I accidentally wrote ends. So as you see here guys, we've got a fire. So okay guys, that was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.